When we talk about lost souls, I don't mean anything frightening or fearful. A lost soul could be someone in your family who may have passed away suddenly. It could be some suffering or trauma, even pain that a family member today may be experiencing, and they may need some help. It could be some patterns in your own life that don't seem to be going away, and you may be feeling lost from within. Perhaps it is your inner child who's really lost. It could be that everything around you and the suffering in your life is pointing towards your ancestors who may not have got freedom or liberation yet. Whatever the case is, today's video will help you understand how you can use Hooponopono for each of these cases. Firstly, Hooponopono is a beautiful Hawaiian philosophy that reminds us every time there is a problem, even if it's somebody else who's affecting us in some way, it is always our past karmic patterns, our memories, which are sitting inside our mind. It is these memories that show up as discomfort, as need for healing and transformation. It is nothing but energy correction that is required. And so, every time I feel a trigger within me, I want to help someone, or I want to simply relieve myself from pain and suffering, I need to connect with my subconscious mind. So, every time I give love, I teach forgiveness and express gratitude towards my subconscious mind, automatically the inner healing starts because my energy starts to get free from these past memories. Everybody responds to love, forgiveness, and gratitude. This is the foundation. These are the pillars of the Hooponopono process. If you want to help a lost soul, someone who suddenly passed away, someone who's passing away has left a lot of discomfort within you. Perhaps you feel they are still around. Maybe you feel they need help. Maybe there is a strong feeling they haven't transitioned yet. This is what you need to do. Simply acknowledge what feelings coming up within you. Their thought, their image may come to your mind. That's absolutely okay. You may even keep a picture of theirs in front of you, but that is not compulsory. Even thinking of them is enough. Now, acknowledge how you are feeling. The need for them to be free is perhaps generating within you a discomfort. Maybe there's a strong feeling that you need to reach out to them. Remember, ultimately, to set them free, it is only required for you to connect with your subconscious. So as you acknowledge feelings for them, as thoughts come, feelings come up, simply think of yourself like a little child. Imagine the little child inside you. Place both your palms on your chest. You will feel a sense of heaviness generally in the beginning because you are thinking of that person and your inner child is responding to the emotions that this person brings up. Even if you don't know the person, maybe you have been told that it is your ancestors that need freedom. Doesn't matter. You can still simply just think of your ancestors. Even if their image is not coming up, it is okay. Just place your palms on your chest and start telling yourself, I am sorry for whatever is in me that may have created this. Please forgive me for creating it knowingly or unknowingly. However I may have contributed to this, I seek your forgiveness. Thank you for responding with love. Thank you for choosing to clean with me. I love you wholeheartedly for everything. You're talking to your inner child because inside your inner child are those very energy imprints, those memories, those vibrations, which will set yourself free and that person also free. Before you end your day, make sure you make a prayer to the divine. Dear God, dear divine creator, dear source energy, whatever is going on within me or in the consciousness of my family, my relatives, my ancestors, whatever needs to be corrected so that people who are continuing to stay stuck, who need your blessing and your healing, may receive your grace and be set free. I pray that everyone who's suffering today, who needs your love, receives your love, your grace, and your blessings, such that we may be free from all past patterns that continue to keep us experiencing suffering, that keep us separate from you and your love. Now, as you say these words, imagine a beautiful ball of golden light above your head. As this ball enters your body, your heart, it expands to every part of your body. And as it expands to every part of your body, imagine any person who you wish to help. It could be a person who has passed away. It could be your ancestors. Then you can simply say, this light is going to my ancestors. This light is going to this specific person. This light is going to all my family members. This light is energizing my own inner child and freeing me from all past traumas, pain, suffering. I am now experiencing God's healing and light. This light is actually symbolic of God's presence and love. Light is universally accepted as a symbol of God. So when after your Hooponopono prayer, you simply imagine yourself and your subconscious mind being surrounded with this beautiful ball of golden light, you have literally freed yourself from these karmic patterns. Why? Because light has that power. It is not this light, but it is God's love and blessings going to every part of your body and from you being directed to those family members who need your help. Another way to do this exercise is simply put down on a piece of paper names of persons who according to you are lost, who perhaps haven't transitioned. Maybe names of your ancestors. Allow this paper to be there before you and simply make this prayer at night to the divine to free you, to free everyone in your family so that all of us are one with divine love, healing and grace. After that, simply close your eyes, imagine this beautiful ball of golden light going to every part of your body and being directed to those family members. Such a simple healing process, but you see, it works wonders with releasing discomfort from your own mind and body. You may have heard so many people say, oh, this must be karmic, this must be your ancestors. Today I want to tell you that ancestral healing or karmic cleansing is not a complicated process. All it needs is the right intentions and it needs the energies of forgiveness, love and gratitude. The more you embrace these energies in the Hooponopono process, the more you love your inner child, the more you connect with your inner child, the more healing these lost souls will get. So remember, the lost soul could really be your own inner child, or the lost soul could be a loved one who's transitioned. Your willingness to clean your own energy is the key to their healing and their freedom. Here's wishing you all the very best with your cleansing and healing journey. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, then do share it with others, subscribe to this channel and stay connected with all the tools and techniques I'm sharing.